All right, you guys. Sorry about that. I got cut off by my screencast. Okay, my core recorder. All right, so this is already here for you. I'm about to post this on Google Classroom. I am going to be available by email. You guys know I'm always here for you. Um, if you are still stuck on the plot map narrative or the plot map TV show or movie, please email me. Don't be stuck. Some of you are still missing other work, so please use this time and also complete this assignment right here, okay? Just as a quick reminder, I know your teachers just love to talk, but just remember to use your circus skills and pull evidence from the actual story, okay? If you choose mother to son, you need to pull evidence from that poem in quotes. If you use evidence from grandfathers, you can take it exactly from the story, but you have to put it in quotes, okay? All writing, as far as if you're going to make your writing sound more sophisticated, it's better to not paraphrase, but to actually pull exact evidence from the story or poem, okay? So this is what you guys are going to be doing today. Please email me with any questions, or you can watch this video over again. Your, let's see, your optic strategy, I have not put a due date on that yet. But we are still doing narratives. We're just taking a break on writing them for today and working on your Think Circa. Okay, you guys? We will also be starting The Adventures of Tom Sawyer probably on Thursday or Friday of this week. You don't need an actual book unless you want to get one. I am going to have a PDF version available for us on Google Classroom, and that will be available for all of us to read. All right, you guys, I will not take any more of your time. Please get this done right away. And again, if you have missing work, contact me and I can be helpful to you. Okay? We can change that grade. We can make these grades go up, up, up before Friday. All right, you guys, have a beautiful rest of your day. And please watch these again before you email me. You guys are the best. Have a wonderful day.